बैठी हुई थी वहाँ पे.
Hi!
Hi.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the start of a new vlog. So today Mihika and I are heading out for some shopping / window shopping. Dikhte if we like anything we'll pick it up. And we're also going for lunch. So this vlog is going to consist of that, and plus we have like this whole family karaoke night tomorrow. So I'm going to capture bits and pieces of that into this vlog as well. So yeah, first we're going to go get coffee because I can't function without that. Okay? Hello.
Hello.
So how was it at Zara?
Not good.
There was a sale and stuff, but कुछ अच्छा नहीं
We
लगा.
didn't like anything.
Yeah. So now we are at the Nutcracker. We have lunch. Hi guys, so we just got done with lunch, a very late lunch, and now we're headed home. So we'll see you
Tomorrow at the karaoke.
at the Sansari residence, at the other Sansari residence for karaoke night. So it's the next day, and I thought of making something special for my family's get together / karaoke night, and I decided to go ahead with this coffee chocolate cake that I saw on Shivesh Bhatia's Instagram. He goes by the name Bake with Shivesh, and I'm going to leave that link down in the description box below in case any of you want to follow it. So I started off by sifting some cocoa powder and also adding in some hot coffee that I made with, just water and Davidoff Fine Aroma. And at this point, my kitchen was smelling amazing. And once all of this was fully incorporated, I decided to add in my caster sugar. So you see me measuring it out on a food scale here, and that's only because I feel like cup measures can be highly inaccurate. One thing I did do was I reduced the amount of sugar I added as compared to the recipe because I don't like overly sweet cakes. Then I added in some vegetable oil and some yogurt, so I made an eggless version of this cake. And then once all of this was done, I sifted in my dry ingredients, folded all of that in together, and throughout this time my oven was preheating at 180 degrees Celsius. So once my batter was done, I just set that into a greased pan and just set that in the oven for about 45 minutes. And then I moved on to making my ganache. So I used Amul dark chocolate and I whipped this together with some heated cream and also added some coffee into that, so it became like a mocha ganache. And then I whipped that with whipping cream to make it this beautiful, light, delicious frosting. So after 45 minutes, my cake was done. I sliced it in half and added in some frosting and toasted walnuts into the center. And here you see me frosting the rest of the cake. I am no pro at all, but I did the best I could. And then I started piping some extra frosting on the top like this, and this is what it looked like. And I was pretty happy at this point, but I knew that it needed some more of this walnut drizzle, otherwise it was just going to be too sweet. So I added in some more walnuts, and this was how the final cake looked. And trust me, it tasted every bit as good as it looks here.
ही वाट कुणाची बघते त्या सप्तसुरांच्या लाटेवर मी साध ऐकूनी हो नीलो है खामोशी बरस
तन्हाई चकराए या डुबाए आजा प्यारे पास हमारे काहे घबराए
काट ले यार अभी
2, 3.
ये टू यू हैप्पी बर्थडे पहले खिलाओ तो किसको तो खिलाओ मुझे नहीं
का केक खाया ही
अच्छा खुद का केक वेट
बदले छुड़ाए चुपके से आए
6.5 hours later.
अनदेखी अनसुनी कोई दास्तां है तू साथ है वो दिन रात है परछाइयाँ बदलाए तू साथ है वो दिन रात है साया साया माही वे पप्पू के पास है पैसा जो तो दिखला जाओ जो तो दिखला जाओ जो तो दिखला जाओ सैटरडे सैटरडे कर दिया कोई सैटरडे सैटरडे जल्दी ले जिगर से पिया जिगर माँ बड़ी आग है तेरा जो इकरार हुआ तो क्यों ना मैं भी कह दूँ हुआ मुझे भी प्यार हुआ चाहत की सुन पुकार दिल में बजी सितार साबुन की शक्ल में बेटा तू तो निकला केवल झाग 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 You were Romeo and I was Scarlett Letter my daddy said stay away from me but you were everything to me I was begging you please don't go Ooh. बेटा मैं कहूँ और तू आ जाए बहलाए हर दूरी शर्माए एक बार आजा जा 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 एक बार आजा बिन तेरे बिन तेरे बिन तेरे कोई ख्वाहिश है हवाओं में बिन तेरे मिट्टी जैसा चूहा तुम पकड़ा तुम निकला काला नाग हो गई अनसुनी हर दुआ अब मेरी रह गई अनकही बिन तेरे
Guys, what's up? It's Monday now, so I stayed back at Mihika's for another day. We did absolutely nothing that was worth vlogging yesterday. We just chilled all day. And today we're meeting another one of our cousins. Her name is Himali. She's a doctor, so she doesn't study, like she doesn't stay here. She stays elsewhere and she's in town for a couple of days, so we thought we'll catch up with her. And right now I'm just waiting for Mihika and her to show up. So yeah, hopefully we can catch a few fun scenes, a few fun moments during our lunch together and share it with y'all. Sister number 1 has arrived. We're still waiting for the second one. She's always late, no? Always.
Always. Himali.
Sister number 2 has arrived.
रुक वहाँ से डालना है रुक यार ये सब मत डाल
क्यों? Too late.
Damn it, I know whatever I say is gonna go up on the internet.
guys, so we're gonna end the vlog over here. Had the best time and now she's leaving. So thought of very quickly closing it out. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did,
Please like, share, comment, subscribe.
and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.